Hi, and welcome to this quick and easy crow pose tutorial. Go ahead and roll out your yoga mat, and if you have a couple of yoga blocks or large books, go ahead and grab those too. So to start with, we're going to make sure that our body is nice and warm. So just go ahead and start with a couple sun salutations or a good upper body warm up, and then here I'm just stretching out my arms, my shoulders, my upper back a little bit more. So for the first drill that we're going to do, we're going to stack 2 yoga blocks in front of us, making a triangle with our hands and our yoga blocks. And then coming up onto our toes, we're going to place our knees up towards our armpits. And then from here, we're going to lean the body forward, coming into our crow pose, gently resting our forehead on our blocks, but making sure that the weight is being supported by your hands and your arms and not by your neck, stressing out your spine. From here, you'll float your feet up as high as you can and then come back down whenever you're ready. Another way you can do this is with 1 yoga block turned upright. This isn't quite as sturdy as having 2 yoga blocks stacked, so make sure that you feel good and prepared before trying it with just 1 yoga block. The next drill that we're going to do is placing 2 yoga blocks down by where our feet would be, and we're going to stand up onto those yoga blocks. Reaching our hands out in front of us, preparing for our crow pose. Knees up towards our armpits, leaning our weight forward, keeping your toes on the block, and then you're going to alternate lifting 1 foot at a time. And this is just preparing your body for the weight that your arms are going to feel coming into your crow pose. So really just strengthening the upper body, getting used to that balance. And then lastly, whenever you're ready, we're going to come into an unassisted crow pose. So make sure that you feel good with the other 2 drills before coming into an unassisted crow pose. But same thing, bringing the knees up towards your armpits and then leaning your body weight forward, bringing the weight onto your hands and your arms, and finding a nice focal point in front of you to help gain your balance. And just trying again here, maybe trying to hold for just 3 to 5 seconds, or however long you would like. And just remember that crow pose, it takes practice and it takes patience, but by doing these drills and by practicing daily, I'm sure you'll get it in no time. And thank you so much for joining me today in this crow pose tutorial. I hope that it serves you well. And if you enjoyed this yoga session, you can always find more with me at stayhomeyoga.com.